So it's 4:56 in the morning, 57, and I'm walking right now. And this is a drive. A lot of people don't have this drive. They're not committed to their relationship, not to their goals, not to their parents. They're not committed at anything, not even in their studies. They're just wasting life on concepts. So I have completed the journaling session right now, written some of the things, and I completely focused on what are the most leveraged activities that I have to do. Figured out that I have some resources to sell business model as soon as possible to real estate agents. But the first thing, right now, what I want to do is checklist to stay accountable on my actions and what are the things that needs to be done as soon as possible. Okay. So once I make the checklist, I'll understand that yes, these things need to be done as soon as possible. Once I figured out what are the things that I have to do in order to launch this particular business as soon as possible, and I listed all the things, and then I figured out like what are the things are important and what are the things I should delegate, what are the things later. Okay, I'll focus on how I can get the money. I'm going to use some email campaigns for the data that I have. I'm going to use some WhatsApp campaigns as well, and also we can use that particular data in custom audience in order to get more people like that, right? So I'm here at the gym. A good session. Just getting ready for it. I really have the stress in my mind and I really want to release it in the gym. And yeah, let's have a good session. So it's 4:56 and 57, and I'm walking right now and working on a project on a problem. And this is a drive. A lot of people don't have this drive, right? Commitment or the dedication to do something, right? They're not committed at anything, like not in their relationship, not to their goals, not to their parents. They're not committed at anything, not even in their studies. They're just fucking around doing drugs and just fucking some whores or something like that. They're just wasting their life on degenerate activities like fucking concerts, right? Useless people. You need dedication. If you want to create an impact in society, I believe that you need dedication. You need to put in the work. It doesn't matter. You have to work. You gotta lock in. You gotta focus on a problem, solve that particular problem. You have to focus on. It could be a personal problem or a market problem, but you have to do something meaningful with your life. So it's around 10 a.m. in the morning, and I haven't slept all night as expected. I was working on a problem. I was about to launch the campaigns for the real estate AI voice agent agency. The problem I faced is just booking the appointments through voice agents. I don't know why there is some errors coming. Make the video and just record the video, and then after that get it edited. And now I'm kind of making the coffee so that just fucking recharge. I usually drink black coffee or sometimes iced coffee. I'm a big fan of cafe's iced coffee, but I really love that. I just need to get some sugar. For iced coffee, I need some warm water. And yeah, man. So I'm working on something that I think, and I know I'm going to get results because I understand the market that much. I know my offering is good because from my offering and from my marketing message, they're clear that all these things will help them to close more deals, right? So what you need to understand is target market you are in. It all comes down to the results, right? So if you have to find the dream outcome, you have to understand what are the thing, what are the priorities, right? For real estate agents, they don't care about much more about automating stuff. They care more about closing the deals, right? And that is what I'm going to focus on, the ads. That is what I'm going to focus on. Also, they have a really good pain point that they have to do a lot of calls to automate their calls, which will ultimately get them more deals. I'm going to sell them what they want. So, AI voice agent plus the whole system to get them deals. Get some cold water. Really cold water. I just added too much of water. And when it just comes down to just booking appointments for the services, if you completely understand your ICP, it is really easy to book appointments. Shit, man, I'm not getting. A lot of times I think about life and a lot of things, right? Like, I read philosophies a lot, and one of my favorite books in philosophy is Marcus Aurelius' Meditation. But you have to get things done, right? As an entrepreneur or as a founder or whatever it is. And sometimes it really gets hard. You have to become accountable for your actions. You have to become accountable for everything. You have to be responsible for the people you are just. Definitely, if we see, or if you want to achieve a goal, if you want to achieve some greatness, you have to sacrifice a lot of things that normal people don't want to sacrifice. And yeah, this journey, this journey will help me to nurture myself and will help me to definitely become the best version of myself. So yeah, let's have this coffee and get the stuff done. Okay.